If you've ever offered a freebie like a free ebook, a checklist, a cheat sheet, or a mini course of some sort, and then just sent your new subscribers that are eager to hear from you to a thank you page that just says thank you for subscribing, then you're leaving tons of money on the table. Instead, leverage that landing page or that confirmation page, that first page they hit after they hit subscribe, and offer them something that you know will help them out.
I'm going to make them an offer they can't refuse.
I do this in my audio business, Audio Issues, and that one page has made over, checks notes, $10,026. Now that's not a ton of money over time, but it helps cover lots of my costs, and it turns new subscribers into customers immediately, customers who go on to buying other products from me, such as my EQ, my compressor, my mini courses or template packs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that too, so that you can convert more subscribers to customers and start your digital product suite off right. So here's what I used to do and what most people do, and that's just showing a simple thank you page that says thank you for subscribing and then nothing else. And it's a huge missed opportunity to create a deeper relationship with someone that just said yes to you and wanted something from you and was eager to learn something new from you that was going to solve their problems. So just having a thank you on that page is actually a huge disservice, both to you because you're leaving money on the table, and to them because you aren't giving them the stuff that they may actually need, that may actually solve their problems even faster. So what I do is I simply offer a low priced product to start the relationship off easy. In my case, I'm offering a 2-for-1 deal on my best-selling books. Step-by-Step Mixing is one of my most popular books, has sold over 40,000 copies now, and is a #1 Amazon bestseller in its category all the time, has 1,200 plus reviews and ratings. So it's very popular, and I know that it can help you. So I put that front and center on the confirmation page, and lots of people buy it right then and there. Having that extra bit of revenue trickling in at all times, every time somebody subscribes to my email list, is super valuable. It gives me sort of a floor of revenue where I know that some money is going to come in just from that funnel. And I also know that those customers will go on to buy other products from me. I know for a fact that the lifetime value of my customers is over $100, sometimes up to thousands of dollars. And having funnels like this work in the background is super important for you as a creative while you're working on other things. Maybe you're working with clients, or you're working on your art, or you're hanging out with friends, or just doing something else that you want to get out of life. And having these digital products sell in the background is just a core mechanism of running an autopilot products system that helps you earn more income and grow your revenue streams while working on the projects that you want to work on, and you're not struggling to chase down clients and say yes to every single client that comes through your door, even if they're not a good fit. And it's super easy to do, and I know that you can do it too. So here's how. Whether you're selling art tutorials, productivity templates, or weight loss checklists, this is easily achievable for you. So you start off with a helpful freebie, something that people genuinely want. In my case, I give out a quick mixing checklist, which is just a PDF with a bunch of tips in there that they can use to get quick wins on their mixes when they're working on their music in their home studio. And when people subscribe to whatever the freebie is that you're offering, offer something on the page. Don't just say thank you for subscribing. Use that momentum to offer them the next step in working with you. They may not want to become clients paying you thousands of dollars, but they might be interested enough in the topic they just subscribed to take you up on that offer if it's relevant to that freebie they just subscribed to. And the key here is to price it low. I've tried everything from $5 to $30, and I have found the sweet spot to be between $7 and $15 actually. Like I said, people maybe aren't ready to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars with you. They may later down the line, but at that moment in time on their customer journey with you, they are not ready to spend the big bucks, but that's where you take the opportunity to offer them the low ticket offer. So if you are a creative entrepreneur that is currently working with clients but wants to create digital products to supplement your income, this kind of a funnel is a game changer, and it can really help you add an extra layer of income to your income statement and to your monthly bottom line. And it's very easy to set up. So as an action task for you as we end the video, try to come up with a freebie and a small product and put that funnel together. It shouldn't take you more than a week. If you need help, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out and we'll talk. But if you need ideas for products to create and how to set them up so they sell on autopilot, check out my autopilot products masterclass in the link below, and I'll walk you through the entire system so that you can set that up and get that up and running by the end of next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, found it helpful, click like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss another one. I'm BBenediktsson. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.